Okay, let's go through this Olympus Epoch LT machine. I know some of you guys are having some difficulty with getting it set up for calibration. So let's see if we can do this together. Power button on the bottom right hand side. Okay, has a little BNC cable to LEMO adapter in here. So it's going to plug this one in. There you go. See if I can do that on camera. I'm going to set up for a straight beam. There it goes. Little kind of snug tight fit on that. I got my DSC block here. Put a little bit of coupling on. Let's see if we get this thing dialed in. Right off the bat, that's quite a bit of signals coming in and out of that thing. So let's see. So I'm gonna hit the gain function. I'm gonna turn the gain down right now to 60 gain. That's pretty high, especially for a straight beam. Okay, just checking where the initial bang is. From there, I'm going to, let's set the range. I want a 10-inch range. So the F4 buttons and the F buttons will get you a preset. So this is a 1-inch block. Let's go to 0 offset. Let's bump that over. I want to bump over until see there goes my, until I see the initial bang. I can tell that's the initial one because it's still, the signal's still there, even though I've removed it from the DSC block. So my gain's a little high, so I'm going to hit the gain button, turn it down a bit. So just set for 10-inch range, so each one of these marks are 10 inches, and looks like I'm a little far over, so I'm going to go back to 0